Human rights groups accuse Israel of genocide in Gaza as evidence of unprecedented civilian harm and legal inaction mounts. Critics have condemned the inaction of global powers, stressing that it undermines the fundamental human rights. More details in the following report.
A growing consensus among international human rights organizations has accused Israel of committing genocide against Palestinians in Gaza. Recent investigations by Amnesty International, Human Rights Watch, the European Centre for Constitutional and Human Rights, have highlighted severe violations including war crimes, crime against humanity and ethnic cleansing. Amnesty International concluded on December 5th that Israel's actions in Gaza constitute ongoing genocide. Days later, HRW accused Israeli authorities of extermination and genocide, while the ECCHR described Israel's actions as meeting the legal definition of genocide. The International Criminal Court issued arrest warrants in November for Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and former Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, citing alleged war crimes and crimes against humanity. Despite these legal actions, enforcement remains exclusive as global powers, particularly the United States, continue to defend and arm Israel. Further evidence of the scale of destruction has emerged with monitoring group Air Wars describing Gaza's civilian casualties as unprecedented in 21st century air campaigns. The war's human toll is staggering, with widespread destruction, mass graves and trauma evident across Gaza. Aid organizations have decried the lack of accountability, warning of the erosion of international law. While legal and moral authorities condemn Israel's actions, implementation of justice remains uncertain. Critics argue that the inaction of global powers risks undermining fundamental human rights, reducing them to privileges determined by the powerful. Advocacy groups stress the importance of documenting these crimes to preserve historical truth and pave the way for future repatriations.